What is up, YouTube? It's been a very long time since I last vlogged, but as you can tell, it's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see anything, but we are in Big Bear. We're out here for Brian's birthday, and we're setting up our tent, and my tent didn't come with poles, so I'm kind of SOL here, you know, just I might freeze a little bit, you know, it's fine, just kidding. But yeah, so unfortunately my stupid tent didn't come with poles. Don't know what happened, so I think I'm just gonna sleep in the truck for now. It's okay, it probably might be warmer in there anyway. And yeah, we just got here maybe like 30-ish minutes ago, and I'm super excited because I've never been camping. It's about, what time is it? It's like 8-ish, 8:40-ish right now. Yeah, 8:40. It's not too late. We're getting everything like prepared and stuff for dinner, and then we're probably gonna drink and then hang out, just chill till tomorrow. Everyone comes tomorrow, and I think Saturday. So yeah. Dude, look at all this. But okay, we're gonna get everything ready for dinner and then chill, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So last night, this is where I slept in the car, but actually it was pretty good because it's like super insulated, so no wind was getting through, so it wasn't too bad. Yes, let's go meet up with everyone. It is Friday, about maybe it's like 9:30 or something, but walking towards a campsite. Kind of far, but it's okay. Everyone else is awake. Morning, everyone. What's up? It was great. Yeah, it was pretty good. So,
you can borrow our tent.
oh god. Wait, so how?
Let me get a big one first.
What the fuck? So last night was pretty dark. This is our setup. We have tents here, here, and there. Got a table. Uh-oh. And we just got a bunch of chairs. And we're expecting probably another 10 people coming tonight. So maybe like tents all over here later on. Bryce chopping some wood. Nice.
Try number 2.
Nice. Fry with a bacon. Oh shit. Hash browns, eggs, swags. Cat with a boiling water. Hey. What is up, everyone? It's about like 5 in the afternoon. We are starting dinner. Brian on the grill. Got chicken, and then we also have carne asada here. Kayla and Sam have arrived. Probably got here maybe a few hours ago. We got Hector making the fresh guacamole. And I got a tent. Dude, so we went to Big Five earlier, and then I was looking. I was like, maybe they have a cheap one, then I'll just get it. And they had a $30 one for a 3-person tent. So it's like, why not? That's what it looks like. We got my tent, Kayla and Sam's tent, Brian and Ingrid's, Ken Hector's, and then Hector set up these cool hammocks.
I'm gonna
Who could have guessed that one?
I'm gonna give you.
And we're chopping up the steaks because tonight we're making tacos, and the majority of all the parties should be coming later on too. So we're trying to get everything done before the sun goes down. It like breaks. All right, it's about 6, almost 7, and I think everyone is here now. We are getting dinner ready. We have tacos on the menu. You know what it is. We got the music. We got them setting up.
Oh, I forgot.
They just arrived. How long was your drive?
3.5.
Dang! 1? It's already 7. Good morning. Day 3 here in Big Bear. I just woke up. I'm the last one to wake up. Okay. Oh man. This is where I slept. Ooh, they're making pancakes. Good morning.
Good morning, Jenny.
How are we? I know.
Is it out, boy?
I was knocked out.
Dude, Is it out?
No, I'm
I think they're doing some knife throwing.
Jansen,
Yeah.
right here.
Thank you.
I'm just put it right here.
That Kayla reading. Morning book reading.
Yeah, Hector said it's a 2-person thing.
Oh my gosh. Scary. I'm gonna go eat. What is up, everyone? We are walking towards, we're gonna do what's called the Castle Rock hike, I think. So we just parked, gonna head on over, climb some stairs, climb some rocks. There's everyone. We out here. Runs into the street, walks into the street. So I'm excited. And we all packed sandwiches, chips, and like a beer. So when we get up to the top, cerveza, we can cheers to it. Oh my gosh, don't want to get ran over. See, here is the sign. Castle Rock Trail. Say hi to the vlog. The vlog, Castle Rock. Castle Rock Trail this way.
Thanks, guys.
It's so pretty.
No, I got lost too, so we kind of just wandered about.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, babe.
Everyone's gonna go at different. No, you all not gonna make it up there if I lead. Yes, for sure.
Just made it to the top of Castle Rock, and it was definitely an adventure. It feels super good. We're here. I'll show you what the view looks like. We made it. Waterfall. Dude, this is awesome. Say what's up? We made it. Sandwich time. Chips. Made it. And a beer. Made it. It was really crazy. Well worth it. Then we're just chilling, eating our sandwiches, and then we'll probably take pictures and then head back down. Alright, so we just took pictures and chilled for a little bit. We're gonna pack up, clean up, and head back down, head back to camp, and get the burger starter for dinner. And so we will see you later. Say goodbye. See you guys later. What's up? So, we just got back to the camp. Actually, we didn't just get back. It's been like maybe a couple hours. I just took a shower, which was amazing. And, getting dinner. Sorry, my camera, the battery died. So, yeah, we are back at our place. And, tonight we are having burgers and beer. Burgers and beer. I'm so tired. So, this is my setup. Did I show you guys this yesterday? Yeah, sure, but got the whole thing in here. I'm on an air mattress, so it's super comfortable. But yeah, just gonna snack on some chips before dinner, and I will see you guys later.
We have you? You have, right? You've never had spam?
What's up, everyone? Good morning. It's about like 9:30 right now. Day 4, last day. I'm just starting to pack up my stuff. I think everyone's just getting their stuff ready because our checkout's at 12. And then we're gonna head out of here. So, for breakfast, we're having pandesal with spam and eggs. So good. Oh. It was so cold last night. It was probably the coldest night out of all the nights that we were here. Like, I was freezing. I am wearing 2 jackets and then 2 pairs of sweats and thermals under. And it's still pretty freaking cold. But now it's nice, the sun's out and stuff.
I'm down.
So, ooh, we're gonna eat RB sushi when we get back.
You want to do all you can eat sushi?
Dang, it's crazy. It's our last day, so we're gonna have breakfast, pack up the car, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. See ya. Alright, just put everything away. Everyone's packed up. Everything's all gone. So crazy. Just finishing breakfast, packing up some last minute stuff. And we'll be out of here. Day 4.
Yes or no? I mean,
No more.
Like yes or no? I mean, either way. This vlog right here?
Yes. So we have officially packed everything, cleared it all out. And we're going to head back home to San Diego and we're going to have sushi. So, with that being said, I'm going to end today's vlog here. Here.
Bye.
Everyone say bye.
Bye.
And we'll see you guys in the next vlog.